Always the notch towards the axilla. I want you to go a little high. Very good. Move the green line out of the screen. LA and RV, right? RV go more lateral and turn your notch towards the axilla. Take the tail end down, very, very mindful, not too low, where you will lose the entire. Yes. You can get that. Get it up some. Good. And again. Breathe in and breathe out will clear the air from the range. Go high a little more. Either decrease the depth or you can zoom. I think you're decreasing the depth, that should be fine. You can take it as long as you're opening up LA, you can definitely take that. Because if you're not opening up, yeah, take it. That's good.